Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from PhoneTech at Work, and today we have the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S21 and the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so the Samsung Galaxy S21, this is my second time recording this. The first time was a complete mess. So many things were dropping on the floor. I just figured, let me just do it again. But I did actually pick this up from Samsung when I had a nice trade-in, guys. I had the Samsung Galaxy S21, the SmartTag, and the Samsung Tab S7 Plus. And I got that in a total with the trade-in of the Samsung S20 FE. And I got that for $533, which is a great price, especially since I already wanted a tablet. But I went with the Phantom White Samsung Galaxy S21. Definitely had to check this out. Now, as you guys can see, you do have a smaller box, which means that you won't be getting things inside this box that you got last time, like you had with the S20. And this is what you get inside the box. And here's the phone itself. I will try to give you the same reactions that I had in the original unboxing. That was a complete mess. But what you get inside the box here is you get absolutely nothing, but you do get some manual guides, and you have your charging cables, type C to type C, and you guys have to figure out where you're going to get your charging brick from. But if you have a Samsung S20 or a little bit older than that, then you should be absolutely fine. So let's just pop this out. Now, my first reaction to this is that it feels a little bit cheaper than I thought it would feel. Definitely not impressed with the quality at all. It seems like the sides are a little bit cheaper as well. Not the biggest fan of this build quality, even though it does look nice from pictures. But overall, seeing it up close, not the biggest fan at all. Compared to the S20 FE, this does have a little bit more weight to it, but overall they're pretty much the same type of quality. This one seems to have more of a soft material, plastic, and this one's about the same, but it's not as mushy, you could say. So if you press the back of this, you could definitely feel it going in, which with the S20 FE is not like that. Maybe just a little bit, but with this one it's definitely noticeable, which I am not a fan of that. Maybe if I had a leather back, maybe that would seem a little bit better. But yeah, but it does look pretty, not gonna lie. Let's get a nice little close in of this. Definitely nice. So if you guys want to check out the specs, I will have a link down below if you guys are interested in checking this out. Definitely not bad at all. Let me put this to the side and I could check out this SmartTag. These are useful when you use them for things that you usually lose. So basically you just have to attach it to your keys or to your wallet and you'll be perfectly fine. And I guess you have to use their app so you can find something. So it's basically like a tile finder, and you guys can check it out down below if you guys are curious about picking one of these up. There's about $29, but I actually got this for free when you ordered it with the Samsung S21 phones. But I'm definitely going to try this out because I am a fan of tile, so it's actually perfect for me. And this is the what you get on the inside. So if you guys want to pause that and read it for yourself, you definitely can. And they have it in another language, to Spanish. All right, so this is already powered up. My first impression is I am not a fan of the build quality, but for $7.99, and it does have the latest Snapdragon AAA processor, which I am very curious to see how that will performs, and I'm definitely curious about the battery life. You have a 1080p display on this one, so if it's anything like the S20 FE, then I won't have a problem with it, but I will be the judge of it and I will let you guys know. So if you guys want to pick this up, the link will be down below. If you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow PhoneTech at Work for more videos like this of the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. no, of the Samsung Galaxy S21. Where are these buttons at? Hold on one second. Let me find. Okay, so you have the buttons are right there. Why would they make the buttons the same color as that shell? Not a fan of that either. Just saying. The S21 period. More tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.